If you're looking to make money on TikTok, this video is definitely for you. And the first step to actually achieving that is to start by creating an international TikTok account. I said what I said. I'll be showing you how you can create these accounts without VPN. Yes, how you can create international TikTok accounts without using VPN. I'm telling you this because I created an account on TikTok. I didn't even make use of any VPN. The account is still active and running. Now, this video is not the regular how to create an international TikTok account, that blah 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 that most people even end up creating. And after creating those accounts, the account still gets banned. This method I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you guys, is guaranteed. If you follow these exact steps, there is no way your TikTok account is going to get banned when you finish creating it. To achieve this, you're going to make use of both our browser and our TikTok app. But first of all, we are going to be creating this account on our browser, after which we sign into our TikTok app to complete everything. And this account, you're going to be creating a UK TikTok account. Now, let's get into it. So once you come to your Chrome browser, you type tiktok.com. Once you get tiktok.com, allow the page to load. Now, once the page loads, just look down here that says profile. Click on profile. When you click on profile, you see this. Click on login. When you click on login, just come down and click on sign up. Okay. When you click on sign up, now you're going to see this. Use phone or email. Please, my dear, don't do it. Don't use your phone number to even register for this. Rather, use your email address. But before you use your email address, do this one first, because this is where this whole thing gets tricky. Come down to this place. If you look down here that says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and whatever. Please make sure you click on that place that says Nigeria. Okay, so we click on Nigeria. We are seeing Nigeria showing on our screen. Now, what you have to do at this point is to reload your page. Okay, so tap on this place and reload the browser. Once you reload the browser, you're going to see this. You're going to see Nigeria. You're going to see other countries that you can find. So at this point, since we're opening a UK account, we actually have to search for United Kingdom, or we scroll down to where we are going to find United Kingdom. If you want a US TikTok account, we click on US, but we are using a UK account. Okay, so we click on United Kingdom. Once you click on United Kingdom, click on done. Once you click on done, you're going to see enjoy. Don't open it, just click not now. Okay, now if you look, you see by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom, you agree to about terms of service, whatever. Now Nigeria has turned to UK. Okay, Nigeria has turned to United Kingdom. At this point, click on use phone or email. Then, of course, set off the birthday. So me, I would want to use something like this. Let's use these dates, November. You can always decide to change the dates later on. Okay, it doesn't matter, but make sure that you're going to use a date that once you calculate, you notice that it's up to 18 years. Okay, don't choose any date you just see. Once you click, you've selected your year of birth or any year of birth you want. Click on next. Once you click on next, they're then asking you to put phone number. Please, do not do it. Just click there and scroll down to UK first. Scroll down to where you're going to find United Kingdom to avoid stories that watch. So now this is United Kingdom. You put United Kingdom. Just move to the place that says email. Tap on the place that says email. Then put the email address you'd want to use. Okay. So I will put in this email. Just check it, click on next, put in your password. Okay, any password you want to, but make sure it's up to 8 letters, numbers included with alphabet. So let me use this. Okay, it's been checked. We click on sign up. Now they're going to send a 6-digit code to that particular email address. Okay, first let's do this puzzle. Arrange this head well. This dog, whatever, is gone. So now you're going to put in the 6-digit code that they must have sent that particular email address Okay, so I'm using another phone to check this, and the code has appeared, so I am putting the code right now. So now you can decide to just skip this part of email username, but let's just choose anything. Okay, let's use olive olive 600. So let's use this one. You can always change the username later. So click on sign up. So at this point, come to this place that says profile and click on the profile. Guys, our TikTok account is here. So click on this place, these three dots at the top right corner. You click on manage accounts. You see account region United Kingdom. Once you see this United Kingdom, just know that you've created that TikTok account and whatever you created was successful. Okay, you can decide to just put it on desktop mode. So click on the three dots up there and then select desktop sites. All right, so now this is what it looks like on the desktop version. So at this point, we'll have to log into our app to check and make sure that everything is working. Okay, so now we head over to our TikTok app. So when you come to your app, click on profile, come down here that says profile, tap on profile, click on login. So once you click on login, you're going to see this. Now before you log into the account with the app, come down to this place again that says NG. By continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you click on Nigeria, then let's search for United Kingdom. You can scroll down to wherever you find United Kingdom, but let's just search and select it. Now it has changed. By continuing with an account located in United Kingdom, you agree to our terms. Okay, once you get to this place, this is time to sign in. Okay, now click on use phone, email, or username. Then before you sign in, this place that says NG plus whatever, click on it again and then choose United Kingdom. Okay, once you click on United Kingdom, then come to this place that says email or username and put in that username you created. If you didn't assign any username, you can try and log in with the email address. Okay, so you put in okay, then you click on continue, and then the password. After putting in the password, you click on continue. Then this puzzle that is right here, we'll slide it inside this box. Make sure it fits in perfectly and we leave it. Now we are signing into our account. And here it is, you sign into our account. So click on profile again down here. And guys, this is our TikTok account. Okay, please don't allow TikTok to access your contacts. Please deny, do not allow TikTok to access your contacts. Okay, so now click on this three dots on the right corner and then click on TikTok Studio. Okay, when you click on TikTok Studio, now make sure you have this. See this creator rewards program. Guys, if you have this thing on your dashboard, congratulations, you have successfully opened a UK TikTok account. Okay, that's it. Now let's even check our region. So click on that same place again, come to settings and privacy down here and click on accounts. When you click on accounts, you click on account information and then boom, the region is United Kingdom. That is it. That is it. So after this, all you have to do is just to go back, and just log out of your account. Okay, so scroll down and click on log out. Yeah, just log out of the account completely. Even if you have another account that is on the app, don't switch account, just log out completely. Once you finish that, please come back to your browser. Okay, because you're still logging into your browser, so come back to your browser, tap on these three dots below, down here, and click on log out, and also make sure that you log out of your browser. Log back in after 5 to 7 days. Okay, good. If you're able to make it to this point and your account is active, congratulations on your international TikTok account. Okay, so now there are some cautions or precautionary measures that I would want you to put in check, to put in place after you've created these accounts. These measures will help you to still keep that account active. To learn more about that, make sure you watch this video on your screen to avoid stories that might touch later. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And hold on, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you don't get to miss out a single thing. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.